Hello guys, in this video we're going to talk about how to fix a TV with no sound. So this will depend on what type of TV you even have, if it's an old TV, a CRT TV, smart TV, or just a normal flat screen TV. It will depend. So the first thing you'll have to do is, of course, if the remote doesn't work, you'll have to ditch the remote and go to the back of the TV or wherever the buttons are in your TV, so you'll have to locate them and manually press them up and down to see if the volume changes. So next is checking the audio settings on your TV. So if it has a settings menu and a sound menu, you might want to check the output volume there, or the output device. And next is turning off and unplugging your TV to connected devices. It's just that simple usually, and usually that will do the trick and you'll be on your way. So one of the things you can also do is reset the TV back to its factory settings. So if it has a reset button in the settings or a manual reset button, you can do so also. So those are the things that you can do to fix a TV with no sound, because it's really hard to actually try to fix a TV without knowing the brand, without knowing if it's a smart TV, a CRT TV, LED, OLED TV, or any type of TV. It can be a general TV, but you'll have to search it up online depending on the brand and the manufacturer of your TV. So there you go guys. If this video was helpful, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe.